Welcome to Fast Lane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you ready to take your high-performance computing game to the next level? Then you need to know about parallel computing. Yes, you heard it right. Parallel computing is the key to unlocking the full potential of HPC. And today, we're going to break it down for you in simple terms. So, what exactly is parallel computing? Think of it as having multiple processors working together on a single task, instead of one processor working on the entire task. This allows for faster and more efficient computation, especially when dealing with complex and large datasets. And there are three main techniques for parallel computing in HPC: MPI, OpenMP, and GPU acceleration. Let's dive in. MPI, or Message Passing Interface, is a popular method of parallel computing that allows for communication between multiple processors. It's commonly used in cluster computing, where multiple computers work together to solve a problem. MPI is great for applications that require a lot of data to be processed simultaneously, making it ideal for scientific and engineering simulations. Next up, we have OpenMP, which stands for Open Multiprocessing. This method uses shared memory to divide tasks among multiple processors, making it ideal for multi-core processors. OpenMP is relatively easy to implement and can greatly improve the performance of applications that require a lot of repetitive calculations, such as data analysis. And finally, we have GPU acceleration, which is the use of graphics processing units to perform computations. GPUs are optimized for handling large amounts of data and can significantly speed up the processing time for certain applications. This is especially useful for tasks like machine learning and deep learning, where massive amounts of data need to be processed quickly. Now, you may be wondering, which method is the best? Well, it really depends on the specific application and the resources available. Some may require a combination of these techniques for optimal performance. It's important to understand the strengths and limitations of each method and choose the one that best suits your needs. And that's it for our crash course on parallel computing in HPC. But before you go, here's a pro tip. Make sure to regularly check for updates and advancements in these techniques, as technology is constantly evolving. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. If you're looking to sharpen your skills in parallel computing and other cutting-edge technologies, be sure to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.